Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am very excited because I'm going to be showing you guys some sneak peeks for Fabfitfun add-on sale. And if you guys are new to this kind of thing, or if you're new to Fabfitfun in general, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription lifestyle box that includes many things from beauty. You get fashion, jewelry, food, literally anything. And it is $49.99 plus you get a $200 value. It is insane how many things they include in this subscription. It is one of my all-time favorites. I do unboxings of it every season, so I'll link a couple of mine in the description if you want to check those out. For their members, they do an add-on sale, which is basically you can add on extra products to your box at an insane discount, up to 70% off. So I'm going to be showing you guys today some of the items that you could get. I don't have everything, of course, because they have so much to choose from. But if you guys want to become a member and get access to the sale that's actually starting today, if you guys are a yearly subscriber, you can save $10 off your first box with the code LEAHWINTER, and you will get access to the sale, plus you'll get the winter box, which is shipping very soon, and we're going to be having customizations opening soon. So I'm very excited about this. Also, thank you to Fabfitfun for partnering with me on this video and sending these goodies over for me to show you. So what I'm very excited about for winter, Fabfitfun is partnering with Minkoff for the season, and so they're going to have a couple of Minkoff items in this add-on sale, which is crazy to me. Minkoff is one of my favorite handbag designers. I don't know if you guys remember this, but if you guys were around in like the early YouTube days, literally every beauty guru had a mini Mac bag, and that was like the thing. So I have a couple of the Minkoff items here to show you. First up is this beautiful bag. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be like my new everyday bag. I've been wanting just a nice black big purse to hold all my things, and this is pretty much perfect. I love the design of it. You're getting really good quality. Minkoff is a great designer. It's kind of like on par with like Michael Kors and Coach. So it's not like luxury, but it's high-end. So this is their Bedford zip satchel in black. The original value is $348, and they will have a discount on this bag. I don't know exactly the discount, but it will be heavily discounted. So this is just beautiful. I'm so happy about this, honestly. It has silver details. The inside has the zipper going across, and then the dust bag is also in there. So you get the dust bag, and then you have definitely a lot of pocket space in here, which I love. So yes, you can also wear this one crossbody. So it does have that crossbody strap, but this is probably my favorite thing from the add-on sale. This is just, it's literally going to be my everyday purse. So I was very excited about that. And then I saw this as well, which is so cute. But they have this, I call it a fanny pack, but this thing says that it is a belt bag. Technically a fanny pack in my opinion, but I know that these are so trendy right now. So we have this nice black one, which has this clip here, which is like, they have this on their mini Mac bags, which is so cute. I love the little buckle. And then it has this little fringe detail as well. This is adorable. So this has the belt, so it goes around the waist. It has the zipper here, and then you also get a little dust bag inside, and that's the inside of this bag. So fun. I kind of wish you could convert it into a crossbody, but I think you have to use it as a belt bag. I've never really worn one of these, so I don't know. I'm gonna try it out, but I think it could be handy, like if you're like gonna be out all day, maybe you're going to like Disney or something. This would be nice to have. So very cool. The original value of this one is $195, so pretty pricey for those. Next up, this is so exciting as well, but we got this really nice curling set from Foxy Bay, and I actually got introduced to Foxy Bay from my TJ Maxx videos. I bought some of their hair products and did some research and found out that they're actually a really high-end brand, that they actually sell their stuff at Ulta. So I was so excited to see this in here. But this is their 7-in-1 rose gold curling wand. So basically you get one curling wand, 7 different attachments. So you could basically get any kind of curl you could ever dream of all in one set. So I thought that this was so cool. So you get a 19mm, you get a 25mm, a 32mm, the pearl, reverse 25mm spiral and a 32mm spiral. Oh my gosh, there is so many different looks that you could do with this. So I thought this was really cool. So you could definitely get this one at a great deal. If you guys like to curl your hair, curling wands are definitely where it's at. I use one every time I curl my hair and I love them. Okay, next I have to show you guys this. I am so obsessed with it. I already wore it, but it is this super cute leopard little winter hat, and it has actually been snowing here in Iowa, so I had to already pull this out and use it. I think the brand is Hat Attack. And yeah, I just love the print on this one, and I usually look really silly in hats, but this one was really cute. I actually posted a picture on my Instagram. Check it out. So yeah, it's this little stocking hat with the little poof on it. So cute. Love that. Next we have a loofah. This is from the brand Daily Concepts, and it says your mesh sponge with smart technology, and it says for a soft and luxurious bath or shower and for all skin types. And this is antimicrobial, so it's not going to collect bacteria, which if you think about it, loofahs are kind of gross. They just like sit in your shower, collect all this bacteria, and you wash with them every single time. So you should really replace them often. But I love that this one is antimicrobial. And what's really cool is it has a label here. So I'm guessing it says the writing on the label fades when it's time to replace. So that is actually really helpful to know when you should replace it, because oftentimes you're going to forget about it and then you could be using like a loofah that's like a year old. So yeah, I definitely need this. I totally need a new loofah, and this one sounds pretty amazing. Next up we got these guys, which I can't figure out if they're supposed to be sunglasses or like blue light glasses. I think they're sunglasses. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're sunglasses, but they kind of give you, they look blue in person, but then like on camera they look yellow. I guess it reflects whatever light, I don't know. Yeah, I think they just reflect whatever light is coming at them. I usually like dark lenses. I don't like when you can see people's eyes in their sunglasses, but I feel like, I don't know, this isn't bad. I feel like that's cute. Let me know what you guys think. But yes, these are part of the add-on sale. I just love this like purpley taupe color. That is adorable. By the way, I forgot to mention this, but if you guys follow me on Instagram, tomorrow I'm going to be giving you guys a sneak peek of the winter box on my Instagram story. So you guys will definitely want to tune in tomorrow. I don't know what time, probably in the afternoon, I'm guessing. Late afternoon, we'll say like around 2 or 3 CST to do that, because I want to show you guys some sneak peeks of what is going to be in the winter box. And this box looks amazing. I will say I wasn't a big fan of the fall box, but the winter box, you guys are going to want this one. So like I said, my code is down below if you guys want to sign up. We also have something from Tarte, which is very exciting. This is the Cosmic Maracuja Concentrated Face Balm. I haven't even heard of this product, and I usually know everything Tarte comes out with, but I have not seen this before. The packaging is very cute on this one. And I'm guessing it's just a moisturizer, but what is this? Oh my goodness. Look at that. It has like gold flakes in it. That is so pretty. It's supposed to help intensely condition and hydrate the skin. I had to look it up because I was very intrigued. Seeing that beautiful, just like purple with the gold flakes, I'm just like, whoa. That is stunning. But I'm excited to try this. It says it melts into skin to deliver rejuvenating moisture and antioxidant benefits with a powerful 9-oil blend for an extra dose of hydration. So just super hydrating. If you guys have dry skin, this sounds like it would be a dream, but I'm also going to use it even though I have oily skin. I think I'm going to use it tonight because I'm very excited. We also have this, which is adorable. This is by the brand Oh Dear, and they actually have this little card set. These are actually printed in the UK, and it says Oh Dear was founded to act as a platform for artists with a percentage of each sale going directly to them. So these are the prettiest cards I've ever seen. They have little pins in them. So this one says have a magical birthday with a unicorn, and it is a pin, so you can obviously use that and write whatever you want on the inside. This one just says happy birthday to you with a little dachshund on it. That is cute. This one is a flamingo that says have a fabulous birthday. So wow, if I got one of those, I would be honestly so happy. Those are literally the cutest cards ever. Okay, next I was very excited to see this in the add-on sale. This is the Sarah Happ, the lip scrub in pink peppermint. I've actually heard really good things about this brand, and I haven't been able to try anything from it. I've heard, I think their lip balms is what's really popular, but I'm all about trying different lip scrubs as well. They do sell their products on Ulta. So here is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. It's definitely a very light peppermint scent. It's very sweet, and touching it, it's like kind of like a balm, but it has the scrub in it as well. So it seems like it's going to be very moisturizing and not too rough. So I'm really excited about that. I definitely need this, especially in the winter. That's when my lips always get dry and cracked. So this is going to come in handy. I also have something from Perricone, which is a very high-end skincare brand. So it's awesome that they're going to have a good discount for this sale. This is the High Potency Classics Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. This deeply moisturizes and treats for a luminous looking complexion. Wow, that sounds amazing. It has DMAE, vitamin E, and kukui nut seed oil. They have really great anti-aging products, and a lot of their stuff retails like very close to $100. It has a very light rose scent to it. So that is extremely nice. I am excited to try that as well. We also have something from the brand, I think this is by Boys Apothecary. This is their Brightening Serum. It says it has fruit-derived alpha hydroxy acids and vitamin C to provide gentle exfoliation while softening and moisturizing the skin. Wow, this is so cute. It literally comes in like a little apothecary jar. That is so cute. It literally looks like a potion. Wow. It has a very spa-like scent, but wow, that was like, the packaging on this just, it wins everything. That is so cute. Okay, I just have a couple more things left. They also have some Laura Geller products here, and this is their Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss. So this will also be a part of their sale. This one's in the shade Island Hopper. I really enjoy Laura Geller products. I have quite a few of their items, and this gloss looks so pretty. It's a nice neutral shade, and it seems like a darker nude. Yes, so this one is a darker nude. And these have a very sweet smell to them. Like, it smells like cream cheese frosting for some reason. But that's the color. Beautiful. Very excited to try that. I like that this was a darker nude because I have so many light nude lip glosses, but not enough of these kind of shades. And then the last thing I want to show you guys are some earrings from the brand Elizabeth Stone. And these are like little kind of dangly earrings here. So they are a little bit longer. And it's like a little half circle design. Very pretty with the black stone in them. I feel like these would be really good just for any like fancy, classy event. I really want to do better at wearing earrings because I just feel like it makes you look so put together, and they look really pretty like even in videos and just to complete the outfit. So that is something that I want to try to do more. I don't know, I'm just sometimes lazy and I don't feel like putting jewelry on, but these would really make your outfit pop. So those are some of my favorite items from the Fabfitfun add-on sale. Let me know what your favorite was in the comments if you guys are going to be signing up and participating in this sale. Of course, again, I will have my code in the description box with the link if you guys want to check this out and sign up. But that is going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to check my Instagram stories tomorrow to see some sneak peeks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!